This 2025 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 27G is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 32 feet 6 inches in length and features a DUSK interior, sleeps 5, spare tire kit, awning, refrigerator, TV, leveling jacks, air conditioning, LP detector, slide-out, skylight, water heater, and 90 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features patio deck. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 27G is 8,754 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.